When you're arrested for any type of criminal offense or even given a citation for a traffic ticket, the first thing you should do is consider consulting an attorney. It's very important that you understand that the system, the criminal justice system, is weighted against you. It is designed to convict you. It's not designed to give you any fair trial. It's not designed to give you the constitutional rights that you actually do have. It's designed to either fine you or put you in jail. You must have a good attorney who is going to represent you and defend you in the way that you would defend yourself if you could do that. At the law offices of John Jimenez, we're dedicated. We make it our commitment in life to defend people who have been accused of a crime. Many people are wrongly accused. Many people may be accused of something they didn't actually do. Many people believe, well, I committed a crime, I guess I should pay the consequences. People should not feel that way. People should understand that our forefathers wrote that Constitution over 200 years ago in a way that they gave us rights that they knew would be important, that they knew were God-given rights that you are entitled to have. The right to remain silent, the right to competent counsel, the right to due process, which means the right to be able to have the state, the prosecution, the cops, put up their evidence before they can ever convict you of any crime. The Constitution guarantees you that right to remain silent. If you didn't remain silent when that police officer first came up to you and asked you any question, there's nothing you can do about that now other than get a good attorney who can then deal with that situation as it exists now. When I say a good attorney, I mean an attorney who's from a good law school, an attorney who has experience, an attorney, more importantly, who's committed to your defense, not someone who just wants your money, but someone who's going to listen to you, someone who's going to understand what your pain is at this point. And believe me, I know after everyone has been arrested for something or been given a citation, there's a certain amount of pain. And that pain has to be felt to a certain extent by that attorney. That pain needs to be understood by that attorney, and that pain needs to be listened to by that attorney. That attorney must give you his full attention. That attorney must treat your case just as if it's the only case he has. Now, we know it won't be the only case, but we know, the law offices at John Jimenez, that if we can't make our clients feel like it's the only case that we have, then we're not doing our job. And I've had many a client tell me that they've felt, even though that case may not have resulted in them being found completely innocent or not guilty of an offense, that they know that they were given the best possible representation by the commitment that we had to their interest, to their defense. We believe that every client would get themselves off any charge that they may find themselves brought against them if they could get themselves off. I've had many a person, people who've killed other people, people who have stolen from other people. The first thing that they want, the primary thing they want, is to get off those charges. I believe it's my job as your defense attorney to get you off that charge, to keep you out of jail, to keep you from getting any conviction on your record. And if I can do that, I will. If I can find some way, and don't call it a loophole, because what I do is I use the Constitution. I feel that I am a prosecutor of the Constitution, that I defend people using that Constitution against those other people who call themselves the justice system. There is no justice. There is no system other than that is designed to railroad you to state prison or railroad you to county jail. And I want to be the one who makes that railroad stop, who makes that railroad understand that we're not getting on and we're not going to choo-choo anywhere with you, because we believe that if we can find that constitutional aspect of your case that will win you your freedom, that will regain your dignity and regain all of those things that you've lost by the indignity of that arrest in those criminal cases, then we're going to do that.